y'all remember this wig from Y Wigs? Well, honey, I decided to cut her because I just wasn't satisfied. The long hair, I just got used to my short hair, girl. So I just needed to, like, I needed some short hair. The long hair just wasn't doing it for me. And my husband told me I looked old. So I'm just doing like a clipper cut to get the length. I did later on cut it again off camera. I didn't realize the camera wasn't on, but to make it a little shorter. So the clipper that I'm using is a Big Mag, and it's a cordless clipper. It's in a link in my Amazon store. I'm also using a Andy pressing comb. I've had several electric pressing combs, and so far this is the best one that I have so far. Yeah, so I ain't gonna talk y'all to death, but we'll be back, girl. So now I'm just taking my little razor and just cutting that hair off because I hated the way it looked at first. And then I'm going to take my scissors or shears and just kind of cut. I don't want it like neat, but I want it right on my neck. I don't want it hanging down and looking like no mullet and all that. So I definitely like the way it turned out. I'm just kind of softening it up with the razor some more. And yeah, this is it. I love the way that it turned out. And yes, y'all don't throw them wigs away, baby. Cut into a bob.